What's up, guys? It's finally time to do the facelift. So I got the headlights out, got the grill out, and we're gonna take advantage of the weather this evening. We had a 100% chance of rain today, and it has not rained at all yet. Oklahoma shit for you. But anyways, we're supposed to have severe weather. We're supposed to get like 8 inches of rain by Friday, and it's all supposed to be in the afternoon and evening, which you guys know what that means. I can't get nothing done out here if it's pouring down rain. Well, I could, but I'm not going to. So I'm gonna take advantage of today and get this old crusty grill and headlights. This one's holding water. It ain't even mounted no more. I forgot to order corners, but I'll get those and we can switch them out later. But yeah, so we'll get the old stuff peeled off and get this shiny new grill on, and then get our new headlights and Chips Ahoy's installed. Just kidding. We're gonna get those LEDs in and fix our whole lighting situation. So set you guys up on the tripod and let's get after it. I do want to take this time out. I can't remember the name. I'd have to go through the comments, but there was a gentleman that said there was no way that these LEDs would fit. He said that they were completely wrong. The wrong ones. You have to get the right angled ones. James has these, so I already knew they would work. But to elaborate on why I know these will work, I'm not going to be a dick about it and say that that guy don't know shit and he's a dumbass, here's why, because it's not. There are some instances where you'll get these LED bulbs and this little like cooling heat sink sticks out way farther than this. In this case, these are very slim. They don't stick out past the housing of the headlight. And I have this one mounted, and there is, I don't know if I can get the camera in there enough for you to be able to see it, but there is plenty of room. The trick is you can't change it on the truck. This would require you to pull your grill off and unbolt this housing from the core support, change your bulbs, and then put it all back together. It's not that it can't be done. It may not be as convenient as others, but you know, if you take the time out and take the headlights off the core support, take everything apart, you can fit these bulbs in easy. I didn't have to do anything. I'm not having to modify anything. It's got the nice little pigtails on it. So everything plugs right in, everything's labeled. So there's no guesswork for me. Everything lines up. So just thought I'd touch on that. I'll try to find it in my Amazon cart and leave a link to these bulbs in the description. And for any of y'all that are interested, I'll leave a link to these headlights in the description also. That way, if y'all are wanting to get what I got, you can click on the link and get them. Other than that, I'm gonna throw you guys back on the time lapse and zip this old girl back together. What? Well, we got it on there. It definitely makes a big difference. One thing, well, a couple things. I didn't get corners, so I'm gonna have to take this back off to put the corners on. And I was gonna take the bottom ones off of this one, but the little plastic piece of junks are like stripped, and I was like, screw it, I gotta get new ones anyway, so I'd rather just put the new ones on. So I'm gonna order those tonight. I would reuse my bow tie, but I'll probably just get some little cheapy one, stick that on there. And then I broke my adjusting deals because I tried doing it and they weren't, it was like no adjustment. It was super weird. I don't know what the deal is there, but like it would adjust, like you would tighten it to a point and then you would see it start moving and then it would instantly snap and you could hear a little plastic piece fall. So little cheap piece of junks. I can't say that, I probably did it wrong. But anyways, still have our blinker problems. Really interesting because while I was trying to figure that out, I bumped the wiper deal and the wipers worked. But now none of my hazards or blinkers work. Or running lights. Like none of my yellows work at all, except on the back. Like it works on the back, but my blinkers don't work, my hazards don't work. I've tried messing with the screw deal that we have jankily in there to make stuff work. That didn't do anything. So I'm thinking that when I drove it in the moisture with no fender liners, it was throwing the water. Well, you can tell there's water and dirt all through here. So I think it got on the fuse here maybe, and I have it all zip tied up and it's getting dark on us, so I'm not going to mess with that tonight. But if I get another evening this week and it's not raining, I'm probably going to try to chase that deal down. And a subscriber did comment on that other video when I changed the shifter deal and said that he was able to get his combo switch out by having the wheel turned to the side where the skinny part of the steering wheel is revealing that part of the column. So I'm going to try that. I looked at it and I could see how it could work. So we're going to try that another evening if we get lucky and don't have the rain. We're going to try to change that switch out. If I can do that, that'd be the main thing I want to do. If I can change the switch out, I want to change the switch out. And then I know the switch is good, and then I can chase the fuse and all that, which I need to replace the switch anyways because my hazard deals broke off and I have like a sheetrock screw holding the hazard deal down because the spring's broken in it. You know how you push your hazard button down and it like clicks? Well, that's completely broken, so the hazards stay on 24/7 unless you have that screw in there. And I think that's been like that so long that either it quit working or the fuse popped, one of the two. So my horn still doesn't work. I plugged it in, no worky. So we'll figure it out. But we did get a good dent done today, and it really did make a pretty big difference. Nice shiny look is pretty decent. So we'll get those corners ordered, get us a bow tie on the way, and then I'm gonna try to do some reading also on the whole combo switch, blinkers, hazards, blah blah blah. Hopefully we didn't cut the wrong wire when we did all that dash and all that kind of stuff, but we'll see. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this one. I do have a new drop coming for you guys on merch. I have every intention of having it released hopefully by next week. If that doesn't work out, it is what it is, but I would like to have it released the week before Memorial Day so you guys can order it up. And if you guys order, if I get it released and you guys order quickly, I want to try to have it to you guys before Memorial Day weekend, because these shirts are they're gonna look pretty good on the boys on the lake on Memorial Day weekend. That's my goal. I want to see these shirts everywhere on the water or riding or whatever you're doing Memorial Day weekend. I really think this new drop's gonna pop. But so far right now, the plan is we're going to have 2 different colored crew neck unisex shirts. And then I'm going to have some pink V-necks for the ladies. And then we're going to do a new batch of stickers, a couple new designs. So we'll have some new merch out for you guys finally. Hopefully some cool stuff. And I'm actually going big and spending some good money. And I'm going to have an inventory of shirts. We're not going to do a pre-order right off the bat. I'm getting what I'm getting. I'm going to release it. If it's on the website, it's in my hand. You order it. I put it in a bag, ship it to you, and you got it. And if it sells out quick, which that'd be awesome. If it sells out quick, then we'll re-up on it and keep them going. So you guys keep your eyes peeled on that. Might have a video on this week. You know, if I get home and it's pouring down rain, one place I can be is in here, and we have to do the accelerator pump on this rig, and it's, y'all probably can't see it. I'm gonna see if you probably can't see it, but it's way up in here where my finger's wiggling at on the bottom of the carburetor. I have a pretty good feeling from a pretty good Yamaha tech that I know. I think our little issue of it kind of bucking in the Yamaha bog is the accelerator pump deal, and I have the rebuild kit for that. So I plan on selling this thing. I know I put all this work into putting it together and haven't even rode it worth a crap, but I'm gonna try to get the accelerator pump fixed, get it riding good, get it running right. And then I actually have somebody lined up that wants it. And I've got a few 110s that I got my eye on. And I think we're going to do another pit bike summer. So keep your eyes peeled for that if y'all are into that. Other than that, that's it for this one. I'm tired of yakking. Peace out, be human. And we'll see you on the next one, boys.